So now, number 4, we have done number A, 4A, by meaning with B. So number 4, it is from 19 Reb 2005. It is number 19 Reb 2005. So we are B, we're going to expand cos power 6x. How can I expand cos power 6x? Remember, by using Euler's formula, Euler's theorem or formula, it says that when you have e power when you have e power I angle plus e power negative I angle divided by 2, this is equal to cos angle. So which means that cos x will be equal to e power ix plus e power negative ix divided by 2. Then what is cos power 6x? Cos power 6x, that is e power ix plus e power negative ix over 2, then power 6. So what is 2 power 6? 2 power 6, it is 64. So now cos power 6x, the answer is 1 over 64 into bracket e power ix plus e power negative ix power 6. So we're going to use binomial expansion. When you have a plus b power 6, this is binomial expansion. It becomes 0, 6 combination a power 6, b power 0 plus 1, 6, a 5, b power 1 plus 2, 6, a power 4, b power 2 plus 3, 6, a power 3, b power 3 plus 4, 6, a power 2, b power 4 plus combination 5, 6, a, b power 5 plus combination 6 to 6, a power 0, b power 6. Where that is a power 6 plus 6a power 5b plus, I'm going to find this coefficient by using calculator. Combination I have 2 to 6, that is 15, a power 4, b power 2 plus this is 20, a power 3, b power 3 so this is 15 also, a squared b power 4. Then plus, this is 6, a b power 5. This is 1, which is b power 6. So meaning that 1 over 64, then e power ix plus e power negative ix, then e power 6. The answer is 1 over 64 into bracket. So our A is e power ix, our B is e power negative ix. So this is e power 6xi. You know, when you have like a power n, power m, it is a power nm. Powers, you multiply powers. You just multiply what? Powers. Like a power 2, power 3. This is a power 6. That's why I have, the power is ix. So there is another power here which is 6. So I just multiply what? Powers. Then plus 6 e power 5xi times e power negative xi plus 15 e power 4xi times e power negative 2xi plus 20 e power negative, e power 3xi times e power negative 3xi plus 15 e power 2xi times e power negative 4xi plus 6 e power xi times e power negative 5xi plus e power negative 6xi. We close the bracket. So now the answer is 1/64. I hope you have understood what I have done here. Okay. So this is e power 6x plus, when you have like a power n times a power m, this is a power n plus m. We just add powers. Add powers. So I'm going to add powers here. 5xi minus xi, that is 4xi. Then plus 6 e power 4xi. So 4xi plus negative 2xi, that is 15 e power 2xi. E power 3xi, we have 3xi plus negative 3xi, that's 0. E power 0 is 1, it is only 20. Then plus 15, e power 2xi, 2xi minus 4xi, we get negative 2xi, plus 15 e power negative 2xi. Then exi minus 5xi, that's the e power negative 4xi. Then plus e power 6xi plus e power 6xi. We close the bracket. So now this is cos power 6x, which is equal to 1/64 into bracket. I'm going to group, sorry, this is minus. I'm going to group and I add, for example, if I have like e power 4x, maybe there is another way where I have e power 4x, I will try to add. If I don't have any e power 4xi, I'm going to group those that are related. For example, e power 6xi is related to e power negative 6xi. Plus, even this one, e power 4xi, is related to e power negative 4xi. So I have 6 e power 4xi plus 6 e power negative 4xi. Then I have 15, I have e power 2xi and e power negative 2xi. That is 15 e power 2xi and 15 e power negative 2xi plus this 20. Then I close the bracket. So now this is cos power 6x, which is 1/64 into bracket e power 6xi plus e power negative 6xi plus, you see here the common value is 6. I take 6 out of the bracket. That is e power 4xi plus e power negative 4xi. I close the bracket. Here the common value is 15. I take 15 out of the bracket. That is e power 2xi plus e power negative 2xi. Then plus 20. So always you have to make sure that this e with the power of positive, it has to start. Then from there, we know that when you have e power I angle plus e power negative I angle, we know that this is 2 cos angle. I hope you remember this. Cos power 6x, the answer is 1/64 into bracket. This one is 2 cos what? Our angle is 6x, to be 2 cos 6x. Then plus, this will be 2 cos 4x. 2 times 6, that is 12. Cos 4x. It is cos because you have positive here. Then this is 2 cos 2x. 2 times 15, that is 30. 30 cos 2x. Then plus 20. So when I multiply 1 over 64 into the bracket, 2 divided by 164, that is 1 over 32 cos 6x by 4, 3 by 4, 16 cos 4x plus by 4 that divided by 64, we can divide by 2, 15 by 2, 32 cos 2x plus 20 divided by 64 by 4, 5 by 4, 16. So this is cos, that's how to expand cos power 6x. That's how to expand what? Cos power 6x. So now we're going to do integration of this one. So after getting the value of cos power 6x, another question is saying calculate the integration. So now integration thing is very easy because integration of trigonometry, like when you have, this is a circle, we have sine here, we have cos here, we have a negative sine, we have negative cos. You see, this is the opposite of this, and this is the opposite of that one. So when you are like this, when you're using clockwise means derivative. We are doing derivative. So it means that we are differentiating that function, trigonometric function. Meaning that derivative of sine is cos. Derivative of cos is negative sine. Derivative of negative sine, negative cos. Derivative of negative cos, sine. So now derivative of sine is cos, like that. We go clockwise direction. So, but when you're going anti-clockwise means antiderivative. And antiderivative means integration. Antiderivative means what? Integration. What does it mean? Integration of sine, because we are going this way. Integration of sine, it is negative cos. Integration of negative cos, it is negative sine. Integration of negative sine, it is cos. Integration of cos is sine. We are going this way. It's like integration of sine x dx. This sign means integration. What's integration of sine x? I just come here. Integration of sine x is negative cos. Very simple. Then you add a constant. This is the answer. For example, I have integration of sine or cos from 0 to pi of cos x dx. How can I do that? When you have integration of a to b fx dx, answer is the capital F of a, F of b, sorry, minus capital F of a. How can I do that? What is integration of cos first of all? Because I have to go anti-clockwise. Integration of cos is sine. So the answer is sine x. So instead of putting a constant c, I put there boundaries from 0 to pi. So what is the answer now? The answer here, it is sine pi minus sine 0. Whether it's x, you put there pi, sine of that value, minus sine of this value. So what is sine pi? Sine pi is 0. Even if sine 0 is 0. So the answer is 0.